Hi, today I will make Jeera Alu or cumin potato. It's a very traditional recipe which can be made quickly with little effort with minimal spice and herbs. It's tasty, healthy and filling. It's a side dish that goes well with main course like rice and dal and Indian breads like roti, paratha, etc. It's my parents' favorite. During my school and college days, whenever they woke up late, they made Jeera Alu and filled my lunch box with it and roti. I got bored eating it. My lunch box was so predictable. Nowadays, like my parents, I love it for the same reason. I can finish cooking within 15 minutes. I'll show you today how I make it. The ingredients we need are boiled potato, 2 large, cut into long crescent shapes. Skin is peeled off. Turmeric, ½ teaspoon. Salt to taste. Cumin, 1 tablespoon. Oil, mustard oil, 1½ tablespoon. Refined oil. I've used a mixture of olive oil, sunflower oil, vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon. I like to use mustard oil for its unique, pungent flavor and aroma. I like to use a combination of oils because it is healthy. Green chilies, 3 slit in the middle. Heat about 1½ tablespoon of mustard oil and 1 tablespoon of refined oils in a pan. Mix them well and allow the fumes to evaporate from the oil. Otherwise, we will get a pungent smell of raw mustard oil in the recipe unless we like it that way. Add cumin and saute in low heat till brown. Add turmeric and mix it well with the oil. This will get rid of the raw smell of the turmeric and will give a very nice warm yellow color to the recipe. Saute the cumins and the turmeric in low heat till the cumin is golden brown. Now add the potato and about 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. If we had added salt while boiling the potato, then we will require less salt during cooking. Since I will have cumin potato with rice and dal, I have added 1 teaspoon. You can start with ½ teaspoon of salt, then increase the amount as per requirement or taste. Add the chilies. We can skip it or add black grounded pepper instead. Cook in medium to high heat till the potato is golden brown. Flip sides frequently to get a nice warm golden color on all sides. Crush the green chili with the spatula so that the taste of chili blends with the potato and we get a much better taste. Taste it and add whatever is required. Serve it hot. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. Please encourage me by leaving a comment and clicking on the like, subscribe and bell icon below. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life.